Welcome students. Today I want to explain you about the accessory respiratory organs. As you know, the fish remains in the water body and it is also the denser medium. In water, fishes would be remain. Without water, fish would not be remain. Life would not be remain in the land surface. Maximum fishes would be remain in the water. Okay? And they possesses gills in their bodies. Gills should be held in the purpose of respiration. And gills are known as principal respiratory organs. After the gills, fishes are also be performing respiration by the help of the other organs, which are also be considered as accessory respiratory organs. Okay? Gill is the main or principal respiratory organs. By them, the fish can performing the aquatic aerobic respiration. Okay? After the gills, the fishes are also be used accessory respiratory organs to supplement the purpose of the respiration. Okay? Let us study very vividly about them. Our heading in here, accessory respiratory organs of fishes. I already depicted the heading on the blackboard. Okay? Your adult fishes depend chiefly on the pharyngeal gills for aquatic respiration. Gills usually remain in the pharyngeal position or in pharynx. Due to remaining at the pharynx, those gills are also be called as pharyngeal gills, which will be help in the aquatic respiration. However, other device also occur to supplement or replace gill respiration. All such additional respiratory organs other than the gills are known as accessory respiratory organs. You know what does mean accessory respiratory organ? Accessory respiratory organs means the organs which are generally help in the purpose of respiration in addition to principal respiratory organs. That means gills. After the gills, other organs which would be help in the purpose of respiration, they may be called as your accessory respiratory organs. These are found mostly in fishes of the tropical freshwater and hill streams and develop as adaptation to the particular environmental condition. Okay? Accessory respiratory organs enables the fishes to live in oxygen deficient water, to activate over prolonged daughters in the dry summer, to take the short excursion on land, or simply to meet the extra demand for oxygen. Some accessory organs serve aquatic respiration while others aerial respiration. Again, bear in mind in here, accessory respiratory organs enable the fishes to live in oxygen deficient water. Okay, somewhere you see sufficient oxygen would not be remaining in the water bodies at where the fishes are remained. The adequate amount of the oxygen molecule would not be supplied to them. In that time, pieces would be depend upon the what? Your accessory respiratory organs. Which one generally supplement the oxygen molecules and also maintain the what? Respiration. Okay, the respiratory organs, which are called as the accessory respiratory organs, enable the feces to live in the oxygen deficient water. To activate over prolonged droughts in dry summer. You see, in the summer, the pond's water is going to be dry up. Water will not be not present in the ditches, pools, and also reservoirs. In their water level also be going down. Somewhere also be water is scanty. Water is not available in there. What happened in that time? The fish also be sustained. How? By the help of the accessory respiratory organs. Okay? So, you people know, and where the oxygen is deficient in water, or to activate over the prolonged drought in the dry summer, to take the short excursion on land and simply to meet the extra demand of the oxygen in the air. Okay? And some accessory organs serve the aquatic respiration, while others aerial respiration. Understand? First of all, I shall explain you about the skin, or also be called as integument respiration. After the gills, in some fishes, fish also take the help of the skin or integument to supplement the oxygen deficiency. Okay, let us know about that skin or integument respiration. The common eels, you know, todi macho, eels. Okay, this type of, sorry, I did mistake in here. Okay, EELS, eels, and this fish also be called as anguilla. Okay, called as what? Anguilla. ANGUILA. Okay, and at the end of the word you can use A. Anguilla. Anguilla. Okay, this piece is named as Anguilla. Is the specific name, this is the generic name. Okay, which fish? Eels. Okay, and eels, 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 in Odia, those kind of fishes are called todi macho. Okay, and your anguilla is very common in your locality. After that, you know another fish that is called as amphibious. Amphibious, and that one is called as the cuchia. Amphibious cuchia. Cuchia, cuchia. It is another type of the fish. Those fish generally remaining in the low level water. In there, oxygen is not sufficient in there, and in that time, those fishes are using their skin or integument layer to supplement the oxygen deficiency. Okay, and proper respiration can be accomplished in there. The common eels named as the anguilla, which are called in English called as the eels. Other fishes is known as your amphibious cuchia, and those fish often make overland journeys through damp vegetation. They can respire cutaneously both in air and in water, and after these other mud skippers. Mud skippers. Other mud skippers. Other mud skippers. Okay, like your Periopathelius. Okay, Periopathelius. This fish larvae. Okay, and embryos can also